Okay, guys. So in yesterday's session, we were discussing about the security framework, right? We started with the administrative.
Raghu,
Hey, Victor.
yeah, did you get my message?
And we have seen the administrative domain, like how to grant your administrative privileges and what is the switch that is associated to your administrative domain security framework in the provisioning system. And yesterday we have activated the role-based permission framework in your provisioning system. But after that, right, people complained that stating that they lost their access, or they were not able to see most of the admin privileges. So that is the reason, like, I deactivated the RBP again. So right now our system is still in administrative domain security framework only, guys. Let me show you that, then I'll activate the role-based permissions. You can see still it is in administrative privileges framework only. So let me go ahead and change the security framework from the administrative domain to the role-based permission framework, guys. Give me a second. So once you log into your provisioning system, right, go to your company settings.
Hey Raghu, we could not see your previous screen. Can you show it once again? That time you didn't share it, right, it seems.
This is what you, once you log in, right, to the provisioning system, this is what you are going to land. This is the place where you are going to land, guys. You can see here your company success factor M_July 2014 and your company setting. This is your provisioning system homepage, the default homepage of your provisioning system. Go to company settings. So once you go to the company settings, right, go all the way, sorry guys, it's not all the way down. Search for the role-based permissions. You can see here, see, you want to use the role-based permissions, and there is one more switch you can see here. So the moment you activate the role-based permission framework, right, it is automatically going to deactivate your administrative domain security framework, guys. Remember that it is going to be automatic. So activate these two things and save the features, whatever the changes that we did in the provisioning system. Save these changes, guys. So yeah, you are done with respect to saving those changes, and these will take few minutes to reflect to your success factor instance, guys, because you did the changes in the provisioning system, right? It will take 2 to 3 minutes to reflect those changes.
Raghu, I'm sorry, I lost your screen at the back. I'm sorry, I didn't see where you pressed the save button. Which one was it?
Guys, it's the same save button, guys. You have only
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So let's wait for 2 to 3 minutes, guys. Then we'll verify the changes in the instance.
Hello.
Yeah.
Raghu, yesterday you changed into role-based permission. You remember when you told us that it will take 15-20 minutes to that?
No, it will take like a couple of minutes, but I don't think it will take that much time, guys.
Okay.
Yeah, let me check. I don't remember exactly. Like it usually, like any changes in your provisioning system, right? It will take 2 to 3 minutes to reflect, but might be. Yeah, correct, guys. Yesterday, whatever I told you, right? It is correct. For role-based permission, it will take more time than any other future activation or deactivation, guys. You are correct.
Interesting.
Yeah. Let's verify. Keep on verify, guys. Once it activate, right, then we'll go ahead and show you how to configure your role-based permission framework. Now, guys, it is still in the administrative domain only. You can see here. Meanwhile, if someone has didn't receive the material yet, guys, please let me know, guys. Material or system access. I'll set up. I know, like yesterday, someone told that they don't have access. I set up that access and shared the credentials with you guys. But if someone still doesn't have access yet, please let me know, guys.
So Raghu, this is Sri. Yesterday I was trying to log on and it didn't log on. The password is incorrect. But
Someone told that someone else has reset everyone password, guys. So yours is still not working, Srini?
Nope.
Let me check that.
Raghu, my password is also not working.
Okay, sure.
Kavita here.
Yeah, let me reset your password also, Kavita. Srinivas, is this your ID? Yes.
Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah, okay. Let me reset that. This is your password, Srini.
Okay.
Yeah. And in fact, Kavita, yours also going to be the same thing. Let me reset your password.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you show me the password once again, please?
Yeah, sure. One capital S,
Says dollar. Okay.
success, and then following dollar symbol.
Yeah, thank you.
Yep. It will take few minutes, guys. Yeah.
Raghu, my password is also not working.
Hi Raghu, this is Shiva.
Oh, I don't know, guys. Why? Yeah, Shiva.
I don't see any options under when I click on the set user permissions, right? I'm seeing the manage role-based permission access. Is it something you did just now?
Yeah. It is because of the role-based permission framework. Yeah, I'll explain you like how to do. Go ahead and do your configuration with RBP. Oh, still on my system it is not working, guys. RBP. Let me check that. I'll check that. So who else password is not working? Yes, Shiva, your password is not working.
Raghu, my as well, man.
Not working.
No, it's working, Raghu. Don't do that.
Yeah.
Mine is working, Raghu.
Okay, cool, Shiva.
Raghu, it's
Yeah, Raghu. Mine is also working, right?
Mm-hmm.
Raghu is Sudhir.
Sudhir.
Raghu, mine is working as well, okay?
Okay, cool. Yeah.
It was working in the afternoon, this afternoon.
Oh.
But now again it's stopped again.
Oh God.
Yeah, I think someone is playing around with this.
Yeah.
The whole my day is waste up, man.
Raghu?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah. Sudhir, your password is one factor dollars. Sudhir.
Hi, Dipali here. My password is also not working.
Oh God. Deepali, your password is also one uppercase S factor dollar.
Raghu, my password is also not working. Hello. T Srini, not S Srini.
Yeah.
T Srini.
T Srini?
T as in Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
Raghu, my updated password is also not working.
Wait, hold on a moment, guys. Let me finish RBP, then I'll reset everyone's password and share credentials with you, okay?
But Raghu, the one you updated, it should work, right?
No, it should work. Let me finish this and I'll
For some reason, it's not working.
yeah, sure. One uppercase S factor dollar symbol.
Sorry, what is it?
Sudhir, your password is one capital uppercase S FACTOR. Everything is uppercase dollar symbol and Deepali, your password is also the same thing. Deepali, here it is. You can see here.
Yeah. Raghu, the one which you showed us, that was one success dollar symbol with S capital.
No, that is for the
Right?
previous guys. Before no,
That is what I
Kavita.
was trying.
Kavita, yours is yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
And starting from Sudhir, right?
S
Sudhir, then Deepali.
success.
Yeah.
Okay, I tried same, but for some reason it's not
Yeah.
working.
Okay. We'll see later, Kavita. Yeah, let me. What it is, Sanjay?
Raghu, how we get to know is RB is activated?
Yeah, I'll show you how to differentiate that, right? I'll show you. You can see, guys, right now I activated RBP in your provisioning system, and the moment I log in here, I'm able to see the different admin tools here. But you see the difference whenever you're going to click on any of these modules, you see you are getting a statement stating that you don't have the enough privileges. And this is going to be the first thing you notice in your RBP, guys. The moment your username and password has been provided and you log in, right, you see everything, but you will not be able to access that. And that's one thing. And the other thing, how you can do that, okay? You will see only the manage role-based permission. Guys, what I suggest is probably if you have any questions, right, keep note of those questions till end of the session, guys. If you have, I'll answer all your questions at the end of the session. Because I'm talking just 2 sentences, and yeah, I know you have questions, but everyone is going to ask questions, right? I was not even able to complete that particular session, or in fact, whatever I'm thinking to tell you, right? I'm just forgetting that. See, the moment you activate your role-based permission framework and you log into the system, right? You see everything is going to be accessible as though you are able to access it. Everything is showing as active. But when you go ahead and try to select that, right, you don't see anything, guys. You don't have access to anything. And the only option that you see is the manage role-based permission access, guys. I'm getting the other things. I'll tell you the reason why I'm getting the at least few more additional things than your access. But you will see only the very first how you are going to identify whether it is a role-based permission or not is you can see manage role-based permission access. So how you are going to get these additional access, at least these additional access is, you have to go to the manage role-based permission access, click on the manage role-based permission access, guys, and you have to add your ID here, which means that you are telling to the system, I am one of the administrator who can configure the role-based permission in my organization.